Hi everybody, it's me, Sherry, your personal trainer, and it's almost dinner time, and I'm going to make something healthy tonight. I'm going to make a salad, and then I realized I was out of tomatoes. I usually do a lettuce and tomato base, and then I add stuff in from there. So I'm going to have to come up with something else other than tomatoes, and I'll show you what I'm going to use. I have got my Eagle shirt on. It's an older Eagle shirt, and the reason it's torn in half is because a few years ago, a friend of mine threw a wingette party, because here in Philadelphia, before the big Super Bowl, we have the Wing Bowl, and that means a bunch of men and women come to Philly and they eat as many chicken wings as they possibly can. By the way, they do that on a Friday at 6 a.m. So she threw a wingette party, and the wingettes are just tawdry, sexy women. So we had to dress up sexy and act silly. So I took my Eagle shirt and ripped it for the, I don't know, a grunge look or something. Anyway, this is what I have left. I do have a newer Eagle shirt, so I will wear that more, especially because if you have been following football, our Philadelphia Eagles are going to the Super Bowl, and it's very exciting. So the whole town is very happy. So I couldn't help but mention that. All right, on to the salad. So I'm going to use, instead of red tomatoes, I'm going to use my red pepper. Sweet red pepper, that is. So here's how I cut and clean out my peppers. I just take it around, carve that out like a pumpkin, and then just carefully slice it right down the middle, like voila. And then I'll clean it out, get all the seeds out. Oh, by the way, I got to show you, this is my Korean manicurist idea of an eagle. That's the Fighting Eagle of Philadelphia. So, you know, I've been going to these folks for a while. They do my nails and my pedicures and manicures, and they do a great job. So I said, all right, I'm going to need, you know, some festive decor on my nails. So the guy says, okay, I'll do the, you know, the eagle. I can paint that on there, because he's very artistic. And so his wife starts singing, "Fly, Eagles, Fly." That's the fight song. So she starts singing with her Korean accent and everything. "Fly, eagle, fly, on the road to victory." It was just so funny and so cute. So the whole place was laughing. So that's the story behind my really great manicure that I have going on here. Go Eagles. There are my red peppers. I can pretend they're tomatoes. Now I'm going to throw in, this is what I have left of my spring mix. This one's by Dole. I think I bought it at Giant food store. And I'm going to put a little bit more. You know, I'm just going to throw the whole darn thing in. It's going to be a big healthy salad, and I'm pretty hungry. So the idea with a salad is, you know, I made a video about magnesium and how these leafy dark green veggies are the things where we get magnesium to prevent pain and to help our body do everything, including glucose. Magnesium helps the body handle sugar and keeps the heart healthy, keeps the blood flowing the way it's supposed to be flowing. So I definitely got some magnesium in this salad. Now, my peppers were on the bottom. I'm going to bring them up top so I can see them, so it looks nice, because Lord knows it's got to look good. And then I have a half an avocado, so I'll throw this in. Another source of magnesium and monounsaturated fat. So this is a nice, healthy fat that we want in our diets. Now, I'm only using half an avocado because they are fattening little suckers. It is full of fat, which is why it's a great thing to throw into a salad. I'm not using meat today. For my protein, I'm going to throw in some egg. This is just so satisfying. And there is my cut up egg. So the salad is really looking great. I'm going to add in as a finality my chopped hazelnuts. I think I bought these at Aldi. So I got my crunch going on, just about a handful. Sprinkle it around there. Next comes my vinegar and oil. I am using, this is from Trader Joe's. I highly recommend this balsamic vinegar. And I like to put a generous amount because there's hardly any calories in vinegar, and boy, does it add some wonderful flavor. And I just have, I don't know, this is just a generic brand of olive oil. It is monounsaturated fats, so I can put a little bit of that on. Olive oil is one of those fats we want in our diet. Not tons of it, but enough just to flavor a salad. And there is my salad. Yum. Bon appetit. So thanks for joining me while I make my healthy dinner. It's a pretty good sized salad, so there's probably a few hundred calories. I would say there's about 250 calories in here. The nuts added another 80 calories probably, but it's all healthy stuff. It is chock full of vitamins and minerals, so that's what we want to go for. And there's enough protein and fat to keep me happy, so that's the idea. So thanks for watching. Feel free to share this video because I'm always encouraging everybody to not only exercise but eat healthy, especially with a substantial salad. It's so good for you. Go Eagles!